career path that combines computer science and business development.
Sure, and business development. So I think a common intersection of those two worlds, for instance, is what people would call project management, whereby you have ideally some technical background to understand what it is the engineers are doing and enough of a vocabulary to talk with them about features and goals and motivation. But you're also interested on the business side and interacting with customers and clients and translating their desires into more specific technical requests of the team. That tends to be the place that a lot of recent graduates, for instance, start, whether they take a business degree or a computer science degree. If they know they don't want to be programming all day long, but they want to straddle both worlds, project management tends to be the place to start, at least in the tech world.
Okay, is CS50 help me to get my goal in this?
To some extent, yes. You will have more than enough technical background to have those kinds of conversations with the engineers. Let me go ahead and paste the URL of the same business class that I mentioned earlier. This URL that I just pasted into the chat window is the OpenCourseWare version of a class similar to what I teach at Harvard's Business School. And that class talks more about security, cloud computing, how the internet works. So topics that we don't cover per se in CS50, at least at that conceptual level, but that's useful for a business-minded person to understand as well. So I would say the two classes, CS50X and CS50B for business, might help you with those interests.
Okay, last question. I want just, do you recommend any books or another courses to cover this project management or?
Yeah. So if you're interested in a PM role, otherwise known as a product manager role, one of the most popular books is this one that I've just pasted into the chat here, Cracking the PM Interview. It's quite popular in terms of just preparing for that sort of role. It'll be the types of questions that you might be asked in an interview for that type of role and the types of problems that you might face if you actually end up working in that sort of role. So if you are looking for a book, that one might be a good one to start with.